Kakenhun juki Nongrep ki badawa dor try ya barok ki marep kabalajer kerteng All India MSP Guarantee Kisan Morcha lapen long ya kajingelang ba jong barok ki coordinator na kelengkari India hakakat khandai tari unailar han nong ba New Delhi. Nakathan chate lammi kari India nami khmat da usangla alfon bird kharsentiu hakate kajingelang. Kani ko All India MSP Minimum Support Price Guarantee Kisan Morcha kalabu kijindawa nak sarkar India bakade banbu dor baitra ya baro ki marap ki bakenthop ki jhur ki so ki kat ki khaw ki dai bat ki kau kilapan bena balada sarkar kaman ra kani ka MSP ki Nongrep ha baro ko we kari ken om ya ai laki vote jongki kilawan ra ki ktin pertasla no MSP no vote kari kun hon kala kentu yang sarkar India par Manipur barwan ra yang jingsuk namar dipat Nongrep hakate kejela hilangat haka apot barka sosat kabam la shu batlapai
Asmukumen matagasni ba layo ya kabamnya dan denta bat kaneka coordination core committee kabalalong matagasni apo dari bar layo ya kaban represent kubuwi na coordinator na ki nakabenta kanon is di barokoy hoi ke area jodi kalong bahe kadang dulu kumba pratli state andre in treshitam bat ngalayu ya kejungkular banakal yang jangan is di barokoy ngin nong siteli nakabenta ban yakun bat ban pembore ka sarkar India ban priyo ya kani ka minimum support price agar India barokoy ngalayo ru ya kaban ban pensno ya ke ka barajia ya ki Nongrep ki jomi ki barang apa Manipur but ya situation kaba down mata po Manipur hawat kalong kaba nismokia ko kata but nakaliang boro kinongrep juga India ni don lang ko ke jumut berkata kalong ba India ai ketika ketika dia nakabenta ka kinongrep ki badan hapo Manipur ki kendo ki kecenge hakili kesni from for our friends and farmer friends in Manipur, in the committee that we have just held just now in New Delhi, we want to send a very strong message that all the farmers in the country, we are strongly standing united for the situation, the tense situation that happened in Manipur. We have already clearly said in the press conference that we want the government of India under the leadership of Mr. Modi ji and Mr. Amit Shah ji and also the government of Manipur, please bring back the peace in Manipur, as we don't want our villagers, we don't want our farmers to stay in the relief camp, though they have become the homeless people, but we want the government to take the initiative immediately and bring back the peace and harmony in the state of Manipur. As the representative of the coordinator of the Northeast, I am here to sternly condemn whatever happened in the state of Manipur. But once again, as I have said, that all the farmers in the country, we are standing strongly united that we want to bring back the peace in the country. As we know, India is a peace country. So we request the government to take up this matter very seriously and bring back the peace for the people of Manipur. And we want our farmers to go back to their village. We want our farmers to go back to the field and have a normal life as usual.
In the press conference, we reiterated this, that the government, it's high time that the government realizes the mistakes made there and ensures peace in Manipur. Because all what we want is in peace in Manipur, peace in all the other areas where people are fighting with one another. Peace has to be bought, whether you bring in the army or you bring in on a negotiating table, you do what you like. But peace must be bought in the country. It's a peaceful country, and Manipur was very clearly stated there in the press conference yesterday. Yesterday, on 19th of August 2023, we had a meeting in Delhi of MSP Guarantee Kisan Morcha, which consists of representatives, coordinators of almost about the entire country except for 2 or 3 states, and the union territories also of Delhi, Kashmir, etc. The coordinators were there, including Alphonse Meghalaya, who represents the Northeast, and he was told to make coordinators in every state, all the 8 states there, as soon as possible to ensure that every farmer gets a minimum support price. And our demand is actually, it's in every village. It comes out from every village that what we want as such is, we want a minimum support price for all the grains, all the vegetables, all the fruits, and also milk. That is the demand that is going to be raised from every village in the country. That was decided. And for 2024, it was decided, since we have given a letter to the Home Minister saying that the government is not going to lose anything. It is only the middlemen who are making profit, they are going to lose their profits, and the consumer will also not, he won't lose anything at all. But there was no reply. So now all the coordinators of all the states are going to write a letter within the next 1 week to the Home Minister, reiterating the same point. And we have taken a decision. In any case, it's going to be in Hindi. It is MSP guarantee nahi, so vote nahi. That means if there's no MSP guarantee, there's no vote. We have to stick by it. It's been 75 years now since independence that the country is actually eating and enjoying the food grains produced by the farmers. But the farmers are leaving agriculture because it's a bad preparation, a sad preparation. They are losing money every single crop of theirs, in every single crop of theirs. So therefore, we need to step up, buckle up, and we need to tell the government that enough is enough. If you don't give us MSP guarantee, we will not vote. It is not a matter that somebody says, okay, I will do it, because last time people said we will do it. Nobody even mentioned in the manifesto. Therefore, certainly we are very strongly in our position today to say, because we are almost about 278 organizations together, and we say if there is no guarantee, minimum guarantee for our support prices, there is no vote from our side. And that is, if the farmers don't vote, 75% people don't vote, what is the election then? This is something in your hands. Do it strongly. Every single village must have a hoarding there saying, no MSP guarantee, no vote. No MSP guarantee, no vote. Please place it in all your villages, the hoarding there. Let every politician know that the farmer who feeds the nation, who during Corona stood by the nation as a food warrior, he needs to be taken care of. And what is he asking? He is asking for his legitimate rates, nothing beyond that. Thank you so much.